the 5 top credit unions strictly for personal loans. We're going to get right into it. But before I get started, though, don't forget to subscribe. Hit that bell notification. That way you will notify whenever I post a new video. Also, smash that like button. Smash that like button. All right, so we're at the PenFed Credit Union website here. And this is, I went to the personal loan section. This is no inquiry to your credit report. This is for debt consolidation, credit card consolidation, home improvement, whatever the case is. It goes all the way up to 50,000. Flexible loans up to 5 years, right? The higher the term, the lower the interest rate. The higher the term, the higher the interest rate. The lower the term, the lower the interest rates. Rates starting at 8.99%, which is amazing because most credit cards fees are at 24, 28, 29%, 23%. So you're saving more than half as far as the interest rate. No fees or prepayment, no origination fees. A lot of fintech companies, they do an origination fee, no early payoff fee, no balance transfer fee, and it is a soft pull pre-qualification. They can tell you your rate and they can tell you the amount you're approved for. It won't affect your credit score, right? One thing to keep in mind though is that just because you are pre-approved, it does not mean that you are approved, right? It just means you're more likely to get approved. All right. I want to preface by saying that it just means you're more likely to get approved. You have a higher chance to get approved. That's why they do the pre-qualification. You get pre-qualified in just a few minutes. Again, no impact to your score, but again, it will be a hard pull, obviously, if you move forward with it. And they pull Equifax. All right. So they are going to be pulling your Equifax, your Equifax credit report. And then we're going to go straight into the next one. So the next one is United Nations Federal Credit Union. United Nations Federal Credit Union. They have unsecured personal loans up to $150,000 without needing collateral. Now that's mainly, if you're trying to consolidate a whole bunch of stuff, they're probably going to ask for the lenders or creditors so they can pay those off. And it says receive up to $50,000 directly into your bank account. Receive a decision from our team in as little as 4 business days. Interest rates are going again as low as 8.95%, which is super, super low compared to what these credit card rates are. Guys, don't forget to subscribe. Hit that bell notification. That way you get notified whenever I post a new video. Also, smash that like button. Smash that like button. And they do offer a line of credit that goes all the way up to $25,000. All right, all the way up. A lot of credit unions have stopped doing this because it's just a higher risk because it's a revolving line of credit. It's not like a term loan. So this is something that you guys can definitely look at. Anyone can join the United Nations Federal Credit Union. I made a video about how you can join. I'm not going to get into that. And then the next one we're going to talk about is the Apple Federal Credit Union. Anyone can join this credit union. They are going to be pulling TransUnion. They're going to be pulling TransUnion for the Apple Federal Credit Union. Here's a product signature loan as low as 9.99%, which is great. 5-year term, which is 60 months. Approximate payments $424.84, and they do have a line of credit again. And I believe this one. Let me see here. This one. No, not this one. All right. So they got that one. They have all these different other products here for the lines of credit, but this is more so for the signature loan, lump sum funding, fixed rate payments, terms up to 60 months. The longer the term, the higher the interest rate. The lower the term, the lower the interest rate. And then we got First Tech Credit Union. They offer, again, this is a soft pull. They're going to pre-qualify you, tell you terms as far as what your amount you're approved for and the interest rate. Again, it will be a hard pull if you proceed with the application. All right. Anyone can join. Again, it's a soft pull. They will be pulling Experian once you go through with the application. It will be a hard pull. Terms 66 months to 84 months. Right. So that's a very long term. No application fees, no origination fees, no prepayment penalties, no payments for up to 45 days. That's a gem right there. No payments for up to 45 days. Interest rates as low as 8.94%. And the terms are really long and flexible. Again, You want to start building these relationships with these credit unions if you want the higher likelihood to get approved and higher likelihood to get approved for a large amount. All right, and say that again. If you want a higher likelihood of a larger amount and a higher likelihood of a higher approval odd, you want to start building relationships like making deposits, open a personal checking account, and then start seasoning that account so you can build that relationship. They can see that it's not a short-term fix. It's a long-term relationship that you're trying to build with them. Again, this is a soft pull, but it will be a hard pull if you go through with the application, and they will be pulling your Experian, okay? And last but not least, NASA Federal Credit Union. Anyone can join. NASA Federal Credit Union is Experian. They will be pulling Experian and is a pre-approval, all right? Again, it's a pre-approval. If you proceed, it will be a hard pull. Guys, don't forget to subscribe. Hit that bell notification. That way you're going to notify whenever I post a new video. Also, smash that like button. And let me know in the comments if you guys have any of these credit unions, any of these products, any personal loans, any credit cards, any business credit cards. Let me know in the comments. That way you can share your data points, and that way everybody else can get these data points. So they have personal loans all the way up to $30,000, flexible terms all the way up to 84 months, rates as low as 10%. Let's just call it 10.10%, low fixed monthly payments, no origination fees, and no prepayment penalties, quick delivery of funds. Again, it will be a soft pull, pre-qualification, then it will be a hard pull. No collateral needed for this cash line of credit, low minimum payments, and available months up to 30,000. Again, if you want to get these type of products, especially for like a line of credit, which is different than a term loan, it's harder to qualify, and they might ask for documentation because it's a higher risk to the lender because it's a revolving cash line. Let me say that again. It's a revolving cash line. A term loan, you can extend it over a period of time. It's a fixed monthly payment. And once that term is over, you have to reapply and they have to reconsider you again. But a line of credit is revolving, okay? Guys, don't forget to subscribe. That's my time. My name's Joey Rosario. Peace.